If you want to get the iPhone ringtone on Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus, first of all, we're gonna go to the Play Store, and then we can search for iPhone ringtone over here. There we go. And you should be able to find a bunch of different apps that technically allow you to get the ringtone. But in my case, I'm just gonna choose this app over here and let's install it. And then once it is installed, we should be able to, of course, open it. So let's wait for that. There we go, and let's open it. Feel free to try any other app in case you don't like this one or it doesn't work for you. Of course, we have an ad, so we need to wait for it to be closed. We need to also grant all the necessary permissions that the app is asking us to grant. And over here we have our ringtones, so we can press play in order to listen to these ringtones that we have over here. And you can just simply try to find whichever you want to use. Now, once you find the ringtone that you want to use, we can tap on these three dots on the right side. Next, we can tap on ringtone, and most likely you will see an ad again. And that is fine, we should be able to close it shortly after that. There we go, and you will see that it was set successfully. But just to double check, what we can do is we can go to settings. There we go. Over here we can proceed to sound and vibration, and we have the ringtone option. So we're gonna go over here and go to pre-installed ringtones in order to see if the ringtone was actually set up. Or actually the best way to check that might be just to change the volume slightly. And in my case, it was actually updated, but if in your case it was not, we can go to the ringtone, tap on pre-installed ringtones, let's select the ringtone, we can press this plus button in order to open then audio files, and you should be able to find the audio file of that ringtone, so we can add it to the list and then select it. So there we go, we have an iPhone ringtone. Subscribe to my channel.